guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Briggs. Good afternoon. Slept until 1 p.m. today. Can you believe it? I wake up whenever I feel like it. Anyway, I was awoken to a lot of text messages on OfferUp, Let Go, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist. I decided I took a picture of this thing actually working and throwing snow. So as a result, the picture was like snow shooting out there in this current snow, you know? And so everybody was pretty excited. I listed it for $475. It does have a slight vibration. I write it in the description that it vibrates a little, right? And then guy's like, does it work? I'm like, works great. Just vibrates a little. He goes, don't they all? Well, I suppose. Anyway, we're gonna meet a guy in about a half an hour at the church where I sell and flip my stuff. Nice public area to display and show people the equipment. I'm gonna load it up in my van, but let's first see if it starts up. Cold start. Haven't used it since, I don't know, 2-3 days ago. Oh, and by the way, the weatherman said we were getting 3 inches today. We're getting nothing but rain. Again, the weatherman is wrong. Beautiful. Instead of using those little brushes to a car, use a big brush. How about a broom? Broom works better. Just push it off. Anyway, this snowblower is my last snowblower I have in inventory to sell. The only other snowblower I have is the Lightly 40-volt electric one that I got for a review. I think I'm gonna keep that, believe it or not, because it's kind of convenient for those like fast cleanups, you know what I mean? And it seems to work pretty well. You know, I hate to admit it, but it really works pretty well. So I think I'm going to keep it for, you know, times where I just need to get her done pretty quickly without having to fire anything up, you know? Just pop the battery in and go. The only other snowblower I have in my inventory is my Monster Beast. So if I do sell this today, I'll be fresh out of snowblowers to sell. How about that, huh? This winter has really helped me out in clearing my hoard. So I'm back from the church and everything went smoothly, as you saw from time-lapse. $475, just like that. It's a funny story. He moved here from the South Shore of Long Island and he has a 600-foot driveway. He's spent $600 so far on snow removal. I hope Jason Pate was one of them, because he said the first time the snow came, somebody charged him $100 to do it. In the second storm, they charged him $300 to do it. Can you believe that? Charging $300 to do that? And he did it? He said he had no choice because he was at work, whatever, he does construction. I mean, he spent $600 so far on 3 storms, you know? That's a snowblower right there. So I guess that's why he wanted to buy a snowblower. He says I was the first guy that actually answered him. He says you can't find a snowblower out there. It's tough to find. But if you look in the right places, man, they're all over the place. Anyway, that's a score! Sure. Anyway, we're going to do a mailbag right now. I already opened this. This is, as you know, I was grinding a spring with my grinder, and I wanted a very cool effect of the sparks going into the camera. But I didn't realize that the sparks would scratch my lens of my camera, which it did. It's on there now. I mean, it's still pretty clear, but when you touch it with your fingers and stuff, it's very rough, like it's been through a grinder or something. Anyway, I bought this new lens for $15. I have to figure out how to put it on later. It doesn't look easy to put on. I got this package here in the mail today. It's from Seafoam. I've been in contact with Seafoam a little while ago, and been talking to a guy about a possible collaboration, Seafoam, and he sent me a Seafoam hoodie. Cool. It's got the American flag on there, as I speak with a British accent. So thank you, Seafoam. I'll let you guys know what happens with Seafoam. And, ooh. You never sent me stickers before. Stickers. This gift is from Samuel Sandoval, or his new channel called Sandoval DIYs. Go check him out on Instagram. He's going to be starting a YouTube channel soon. You know, you guys know Sam. Give him some love, man. Follow his channel, or his Instagram at least. He's a good guy. He always sends me stuff. I actually helped him with his logo a couple of days ago because his was kind of unclear, you know. And since I do graphics and stuff like that. Anyway, so he ordered this for me. Oh, cool! DEWALT air compressor hose. I totally need this. Thank you very much, Sam. This is great. DEWALT. I know you're like me. You're on DEWALT tools now. You can see the quality. You know, once you have a couple of DEWALT tools, you kind of just stick with the brand because you trust it, you think it's good quality and stuff. So thank you very much, Samuel Sandoval, for sending me this. I'm going to be attaching it onto my air compressor in the spring when we need it for inflating things and blowing stuff out. I certainly appreciate the support. That's the way you can contribute to the channel. That's the way everybody can contribute to the channel. Donations, sticker purchases, or tools and things that you think I might need for future episodes. Thank you guys once again for your generosity and kindness. It's very much appreciated. It keeps me going to make videos every day. Sounds pretty easy. This scratched up lens just turned with a wrench gently counterclockwise. Pop the new one back in again. Very easy. It's cost about 12 bucks. So it's the next day, and I'm gonna try to do something that I need to do because I currently have no two-stage snowblowers in my garage in case it starts snowing. But first, I'm gonna put the Seafoam sticker on my Mowers and Blowers Wall of Fame. I hope it sticks. It's so cold today. About 23 degrees. But we're not expecting any snow for the upcoming 3 or 4 days. But we're gonna get another storm next week. Shout out to Mike Peltzik for donating, get ready, $150 to the channel. That's the biggest donation I've ever received from any subscriber. I know Mike has been a subscriber for quite a long time, but I haven't seen him comment for a while until recently. So Mike, I can't thank you enough for such a generous donation to the channel. Keeps the videos coming every day. Thank you very much. Also a big shout out to my brother from another mother, Bobby Moon, another Asian redneck over on down south. He also donated $10 to the channel. Thank you very much. And also shout out to Randy Johnson. No, not the pitcher, but the subscriber, Cycle Guy 666, who bought 6 Mowers and Blower stickers. Thank you all very much for supporting the channel. It's greatly appreciated. There's all the stickers on the Mowers and Blowers Wall of Fame. So my daughter is doing online learning in that room, so I can't fire this up. What are the chances that I'm gonna be able to take this monster beast out of this snow and roll it to the front of the garage? Not bloody likely. Also, because of the sun, all the snow from the solar panels has come down right on top of my Snowhound. So I promised you guys I was gonna get that Snowhound running and trying it in some snow. But that's gonna have to wait since it's all piled up in there, you know? I'm not gonna dig out that stuff until it starts to subside a bit. But first, let's try to get this moving. Actually, I think she's at a break, so I think I might be able to start this baby up. Fuel shut off. Off. Got some gas in it. Got oil. Choke. Full throttle. Prime. So how about that, huh? After sitting out there buried in the snow for the past few weeks or so, fired right up on the first pull, ran smooth and powerful. It did have trouble getting over that foot or so of ice that was there, and I had to kind of maneuver a little bit just to get through. But you saw how that thing was blowing a little bit of the snow there, the ice. Man, what a beast. So this is the only snowblower I have left, if you're counting the 40-volt electric Lively snowblower that I did on a review. And you really can't consider the Snowhound a snowblower either, because it works, but it's really not gonna work, you know what I mean? But I promise I will try to get that thing out and get it going so you guys can see how that thing blows in the snow. But that's it for today's episode. Thanks a lot to all the guys who donated money to the channel, as well as buying the stickers. I really appreciate all your support. Keeps me going every day, you know? And let's hit that 10,000 subscriber mark in the long term. That's my hope, at least. Thanks a lot for joining me, guys. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Hey guys, Boba and I want to thank you for all the support of Mowers and Blowers. If you'd like, make a short video clip like these, and I'll put it as an outro in my future videos.
Hey Henry, see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as, if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.